In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to use in your HubSpot content. This process is quite straightforward, but it's always helpful to walk through each step to ensure you're confident and can seamlessly integrate this into your HubSpot workflow. Let's start by making sure you're logged into your HubSpot account. It's essential to be logged in because it gives you access to all the tools and features HubSpot offers, including the ability to upload files. This ensures you're able to fully utilize your HubSpot resources right from the start. Once you're logged in, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the trial guide. The trial guide is a valuable resource hub where you can find all the documentation and tools necessary to kick off your form building process. It's designed to guide you through the initial steps and help you get the most out of HubSpot. Now, let's head over to your homepage. Once you're there, look for the Content section. This is where you'll find the Files option, which allows you to manage all your uploads. Click on Files to move forward. This section is pivotal in organizing your files, ensuring everything you need for content creation is just a click away. Next, it's time to upload your files. To do this, simply click on Upload Files. This action will prompt a window to open, allowing you to select the files you wish to upload from your computer. Make sure your files are named correctly and organized, as it will make finding and managing them much easier down the line. Once the window opens, navigate through your folders and locate the file you want to upload. Remember, this is your chance to ensure you've chosen the right file. Double-check if necessary. After you're sure you've found the correct file, click on it to select it. Once you've selected your file, the system will automatically begin the upload process. You'll see a progress bar indicating how much of the file has been uploaded. Depending on your internet speed and the file size, this could take a few moments. Be patient and let the system do its work. It's a good time to reflect on how these files will enhance your content strategy within HubSpot. And there you have it. Your file is now uploaded into HubSpot and ready for use. This integration allows you to easily insert images, PDFs, and other files into your marketing content, making your campaigns more dynamic and interactive. Being able to efficiently manage your files not only streamlines your workflow, but also enhances your content's effectiveness. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, mastering these tools is crucial for developing a robust digital marketing strategy. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials. Have a great day.